Viewers, Subhashni Manohar here. The subject is English Literature for the class 8th. The topic is prose. The name of the prose is Tsunami. Tsunami. As usual, it is a natural disaster. We all know about tsunami. So, a short introduction to about this natural disaster. Tsunami refers to very large and powerful waves in sea. It is caused by some earthquake under sea. One such calamity hit several countries on December 26, 2001. The worst affected parts were coastal parts of India, Andaman and Nicobar Island. Some 150,000 people were died during this natural disaster. They lost their lives. This story recounts few stories of bravery and intelligence at times of tsunami. Character sketches. So here are a few characters who came out of this tsunami with their intelligence and using their bravery. Ignatius, he is the manager of a cooperative society. Sanjeev, he was a policeman. Meghna, she was 13-year-old brave girl. Alma was 10 years old girl. Her family swept away due to tsunami. So, now let's go to the story. At morning, Ignatius' wife woke him up at 6 a.m. Sensing an earthquake, Ignatius put the TV on ground to save it from earthquake. All members of the family rushed out. When tremors stopped, they saw sea rising. This caused confusion. They ran, but in opposite direction. His wife, two children, her father and brother were lost. They were swept away. Thus, Ignatius lost his wife, brother-in-law, and also his father-in-law. What a tragedy in his life, right? Sanji was a policeman. He managed to save himself and his family. Then he heard cries for help. It is from John's wife. John was guest house cook. Sanjeev jumped into water to save her. They both were swept away and drowned. Meghna was 13 years old. She was swept away along with her parents and 77 other people. She held on to a wooden rod and kept floating on it for 2 days. She was brought to the shore by a wave and then she was saved. Alma, she was 10 years old, right? Their family was sleeping comfortably and peacefully. Her father had woken up. He saw water receding after tremors. It would come with great force. He woke everyone, trying to rush to a safe place. So they ran. His father fell down. Alma's father tried to help her grandfather. Then came a big wave and swept them both away. Her mother and aunt were washed away too. Alma climbed on a wood to float, but she fainted. Then she woke up in a hospital in Kamarta. Even though she was fainted, she was saved in this disaster. She was a fortunate girl, right? Tilly's family had come to Thailand from England. Tilly saw the sea making whirlpools. She remembered the video shown in class 2 weeks before by her geography teacher. It occurred to her that these were true signs of tsunami. She screamed and asked her family to go off the beach. Tilly's parents took her and her sister to swimming pool at hotel. The family took refuge in third floor of hotel. The building withstood forces of tsunami. If they had stayed in beach, they would have been dead. But they were saved because of the teachings by her geography teacher. Some people say that the animals have sixth sense. Tsunami killed almost 150,000 people, but only few animals were dead because of tsunami. Animals can sense the natural disasters. In Ale National Park in Sri Lanka, 60 visitors were washed away due to this disaster, but only 2 animals died. In the same park, people had observed 3 elephants run away from beach house before an hour of tsunami visit. A man on coast near Sri Lanka had 2 dogs. On the fatal day of tsunami, both the dogs refused to go to beach with their master. The master too stayed back. They saved his life also. Besides saving their life, they saved their master's life also. Question and answers. When he felt the earthquake, do you think Ignatius immediately worried about tsunami? Give reasons for your answer. Which sentence in the next tells you that Ignatius' family did not have any time to discuss and their course of action after tsunami struck? No, Ignatius did not suspect a tsunami when he felt the tremors. He took his television set and placed it on the ground so that it would not fall and break. This shows that he did not get worried of tsunami immediately, he was worried about the earthquake. Otherwise, he would have rushed out of the house to get a safer place at the first instant. The sentence in the text, which shows that Ignatius' family did not have any time to discuss and plan their course of action after the tsunami struck us, in the chaos and confusion, two of his children caught hold of the hands of their mother and mother's brother and rushed in the opposite direction. Second one, how did Meghna and Alma's stories similar? Both Meghna's and Alma's families were washed away. Both of them kept floating in the sea for days. Meghna floated in the sea for 2 days holding onto a wooden door. She was brought to the shore by a wave. Similarly, Almas climbed on a log of wood and fainted. She woke up in a hospital. Both the girls were traumatized after the incident. While Meghna was seen walking in the seashore in days, Almas does not talk about the incident to anyone. If Tilly's award was to be shared, who do you think she should share it with? Their parents or her geography teacher? If Tilly's award was to be shared, she should share it with her geography teacher who made her aware of tsunami in the first place. It was this awareness that helped her save so many lives in that sea. What are the different ways in which Tilly's parents could have reacted to her behavior? What would you have done if you were in that place? Not taking her seriously, Tilly's parents could have tried to calm her down, thinking that she had been frightened by something. As a result, they could have been washed away by the tsunami waves. If I were in their place, I too would have listened to her and realized that there was a danger approaching. Consequently, I too would have rushed away from the beach. Moral of the lesson: every disaster and every failure conveys a moral and also a message to the person. So, this tsunami also given a message to us. We should realize the importance of doing whatever possible to save human and animal life, to participate in relief work, and to understand concepts of disaster management. One should show the acts of courage, compassion, and care in bitter struggle of survival and rehabilitation. Thank you.